So here's how to fix Roblox Memory Dump Error. First, we will need to right click on Roblox Player, Properties, and then go to Compatibility, then disable full screen optimization, then check run this program as admin, and then click on change high DPI settings, and then override the DPI scale and select application, then press OK. Now we will run compatibility troubleshooter. Click on this and then wait for it to detect any issues, and then press on try recommended settings. Then click next. You can press on test program and then see if that it will open Roblox. Make sure you log into your account and then see if this fixes the issue. Now if it does, you can press next and choose yes, save these settings. It should save the settings. Otherwise, if it still doesn't work, you can click on run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7 and then click apply, OK, and then try to restart Roblox and then see if it works for you. Now if it still doesn't work, you can open the start menu here, type run, and then a window like this should show up. You can type %local app data %, click OK. Now you should look for Roblox folder, which is this right here. Right click and delete the folder. And now go to the browser, then search for roblox.com. And now you can go to any experience and then press the play button. And it should prompt you to download the Roblox client. So download it and reinstall it again on your PC, and then restart your PC. And once you open the Roblox, it should be fixed. You just need to log back to your account and play the game. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.